Evening, everybody. Dozens of patients of Dr. Atiq Durrani took to the streets today to plead their cases.
More than 500 former patients are suing Durrani for injuries they suffered from what they say were unnecessary back and neck surgeries. Today they picketed outside UC Health, and Local 12's Joe Webb was there.
It wasn't easy for many of them to get there, but a couple of dozen of Dr. Durrani's former patients made it to UC Health today. Most have court dates for their lawsuits against the doctor. All have stories to tell.
He put 6 screws and 2 bars in my back that I never needed, and 2 of them ended up in my aorta.
So he cut my blood vessels on my right leg. It's numb from my waist down.
I had to have part of the rods removed because they was jagged and the screws fell out. So Dr. Durrani has made my life a living hell.
Heather McCann's case goes to court in August with 23 other former Durrani patients. She can't hold her head up straight. Chronic pain saps her energy and prohibits travel. She's 33 years old.
We need to have, some justice served, and, it's kind of hard when you have a person that fled the country to get any answers of why he did this.
Dr. Durrani was indicted for healthcare fraud and making false healthcare statements in 2013. He surrendered his passport at the time, but left the country and is now in his native Pakistan. What's he doing today? Well, while his former patients were protesting about him on Burnet Avenue, he was practicing medicine. He's on the staff and teaching at the doctor's hospital in Lahore, Pakistan.
It's just a sad situation, baby. That's all I can say. It's a sad situation.
Now, the protesters say they will be back next Friday at Christ Hospital and the following Friday at Children's Hospital. They are picketing the places Dr. Durrani practiced. Now, he did not practice at UC's main location. Most of the surgeries detailed in the lawsuits were performed at Westchester Hospital, which was run by UC. Paula?
All right, thank you, Joe. Just heartbreaking to see those people. Last fall, UC Health agreed to pay back more than $4 million to the government to settle allegations of Durrani's false billings in Westchester. Now, that covered a period from 2009 to 2013. Attorneys for UC denied the government allegations and say Durrani was not an employee. He just had privileges to perform surgery at Westchester.